Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the first code, which is *06#. And as you can see, with this code we are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and another code, which is *#09#. And here we've got the general information about our device, so again email numbers, but also the product name, the software build version, and here you can scan the QR codes to learn more. Another code, which is *#426#***, and here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show it advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and another code, which is *#4636#*#, and here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, user statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So for example, in user statistics we'll have the list of apps and they are sorted by usage time. You can check the last time used also. The Wi-Fi information, where you can check, for example, the status. Here we can refresh it. Just tap on this option here, which is not really visible, but trust me, here we've got refresh. And you can check the information just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can also run ping test here. Let's go back and the phone information. So here you've got, for example, the car network, data network type, or voice service. You will be able to see all of those information if you've got your SIM card inserted. You can also run ping test here and basically this is it for that code. Let me go back and another code for the version test. It is ***225#***, and here we are in the version test. So another technical code. Thanks to it, we can check the email again, the attestation key, and the preload version, etc. And the last code, which I'd like to show you, it is a factory test, and it is *#558#, and here we've got the engineer menu. Of course, you will have to agree to the statements, etc., before you will be able to enter here. So here we've got the settings. For example, you can check the privacy terms if you want to. You can read them. Here you've got the debugging port, so you can enable or disable it, and you've got OQC test. Of course, you have to scan this code first of all, and then simply tap on have scan it, etc. Just tap on this code, and here you can check the phone information, so you'll be transferred to the phone info, and after getting back, you will have to mark whether everything worked normal or there was a problem. So basically, this is a test for your device. As you can see, if everything is all right, it will be ticked. So the same with email, for example. If you can see both email numbers, then just mark that it was normal, etc. With the Bluetooth test, music, file manager, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.